Hey, so this is my temperature-controlled fan simulation that I created on Autodesk Tinkercad using the circuit program. So this whole entire system is run off this Arduino, which this transistor, temperature sensor, and RGB LED are all connected to. So how this whole system works, this 9-volt battery is connected to this 9-volt DC motor, and this temperature sensor will sense the air around the sensor and send the input data to this Arduino. And the Arduino will use that input data to basically control this fan speed of this DC motor, and also it will either change this RGB LED to either red, blue, or green depending on how hot or cold it is. So yeah, this is how the whole entire system works, and this is the code that I wrote for it. So as you can see here at the beginning, I set all these pins to variables, and during the setup I set all these variables to either outputs or inputs, and the only input that we actually have is the temperature, because it's the only thing we read. And if we go down here, you'll see that I created a new variable called temp, and basically what this variable does is it reads the temperature that's coming from the temperature sensor over here, and it converts it to Fahrenheit because this temperature sensor actually reads in Celsius. So here, if we go down even more, these are the ranges of temperatures that the temperature sensor senses, and basically all these ranges set the fan speed to either high, medium, low, or off, and all of these also have corresponding RGB lights being red, blue, or green depending on how hot or cold it is. So this is the whole entire system in code, and now I'll show you guys what it looks like in real life. But in real life I actually don't have this RGB LED, but it's okay, it still works because this RGB LED is just here for a little quality of life. So as you can see here, this is the whole setup, and I'm putting my hand here, my finger on the temperature sensor, and the fan will turn on like so. And once I take my hand off, the temperature isn't within the needed range for the fan to be on, and the fan will turn off. So this is the whole setup with the fan and all the wiring, with the transistor, temperature sensor, obviously without the LED as I said before. So if you guys want to copy this down and try it yourself, you guys are welcome to do so.